Question, not may question ka na, second na to eh. Oh.
Paano yumaman pag uwi ko ng Pinas?
Eh, may yaman ka na daw.
First
Yung balita mayaman.
investment.
May 100 million ka na daw eh.
Wala pa.
Humble, oo nga eh. Dami daw lupa.
Real estate
Ah,
meron.
ilan daw?
3 buildings.
Wow! Buildings! 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 Okay, sino muna?
Ako na, sir. Ako na,
Okay, question, what's your question? Ito. Oh, any
Basta,
question?
idol talaga kita,
Hindi,
sir.
wala. No question. What's your question?
Kasi ang dami na.
What name do I put?
Murin.
Murin.
Mawin. M-A-U-R-E-N.
One question for the camera. Okay,
Ano naman?
ano?
M-A-U-R. M-A-U-R-E-N.
Ian, Maureen.
Opo, Marine.
You learned a lot naman today.
Yes po. First time kong nag-attend ng Money Talks but I learned a lot.
Galing.
Gustong-gusto kong mag-attend ulit.
Tapos ano, how long have you been in Dubai? 14 years.
Yes.
Are you investing already?
Most lahat. So I'm
Talaga? Oh.
interested sa topic mo ngayon that is about market investing. So I'm on the stage na nandiyan na ako.
Galing.
The rest na-ready ko na.
Oh, needs down, may tanong ka. Okay, salamat.
Dami sa natutunan.
Hindi, okay lang.
Ibang-iba yung pag sa YouTube tsaka sa personal talaga.
Talaga?
So, yeah, sobra.
Mas gwapo nung sa personal.
Sobra.
Ano spelling?
N-H-I-D-Z.
N-H-I-D-Z.
Yeah.
Wala, kahit anong question, wala?
Wala. So far, wala.
Ito na lang tanong ko, mahirap ba mag-invest?
Depende kung saan i-invest.
Okay.
Ayun.
Ano mas mahirap? Emotions o pera?
Pera!
So alam mo na, ito yung lalabas kasi may yung mas may entertainment value, yung lalabas sa ano. Oo. Okay, salamat. Okay, what's your... Thank you. O, pati ballpen.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
How to be
Question.
investor.
How to be a successful investor? Talaga? Name? Marisa. Hindi, for me, how to be a successful investor, ano lang, simple lang. Start early, build the skills, and then do it regularly. Ganun lang. Then start small.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You learned a lot naman.
Yes, of course.
Thank you,
It's
thank
been
you.
a fruitful seminar. It's
Salamat.
really helpful.
Sorry, nag-overtime tayo.
Yeah, okay.
Nag-overtime. Thank you. Oh, yung ballpen.
Thank you.
Hello. Hello. Do you have a question? No question?
Basic
Okay lang.
market investing later on.
Later on?
Yes.
Name?
Luz.
L-U-Z?
Yeah, right.
Okay. Thank you for coming, ha.
Thank you,
How,
sir.
how long have you been in Dubai?
24.
Wow! So, 1 year old ka punta dito?
Grabe. Ay, yes. Tama.
Salamat. Para mas matanda pa ako, I look older eh. Okay. Name? Gina. May question ka? Wala naman?
May question ako.
Oh, yun.
How to be you?
Wala.
Wow, parang
Hindi.
hashtag yan
Hindi, alam mo sasabihin ko? Ano? You'll do better than me. So you don't have to be, you just have to be you.
Thank you.
Salamat.
Thank you.
Questions?
Am I too late to invest?
No naman. How old are you?
28.
Oh, you're young. 28, you're young. You have so... What's your name? Anna, double N.
Yes.
You have so much pa. 28, some people start at 50 and they still do well eh. If you live from 28 to 80, 62 years of solid investing pa yun. Pero, syempre, time is the greatest arbitrage. Start as early as now para, yun eh, your money goes
Do I have
with
to be
time.
good at math?
No naman, if you notice it, above the line, below the line, above the line, below the line. Di ba? You don't need to be good at math just for that naman, di ba?
Okay, thank you. This is very
Salamat. How long have you been here naman?
3 years po.
3 years. Pero your accent is different.
Well, I used to work with details.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Salamat. Hello, name?
Edward po.
Edward. Question? No question?
Wala naman po, pero yun nga, yung when in doubt, do nothing. Pero parang napatagal yata sa akin yun, so basic kailangan ko.
Okay,
Start na.
okay.
So,
Salamat.
stop. So hopefully itong book na to ay makatulong sa akin sa pag-start up.
So nag-stock sa kayo?
Wala pa po.
Okay.
Ano lang, mga basic like MP2.
Oh, so mga low risk investments talaga?
Yun kasi para sa bata, sa pag-school niya. Tapos yung sa may time deposit. So kailangan ko na ng medyo mas siguro mas ma-action.
Thank you. Mabuhay ka.
Maraming salamat.
Pag nalugi, sabi mo self-study ka. Joke lang, joke lang. Joke lang, joke lang. Okay,
Thank you.
salamat. Hello, name.
Lu po, L-O-U.
LOU. Ay, naku, pitakan niyo sa labas, no?
Ay, opo.
Jeweler na lahat naman.
Marami po.
Do you have a question? Ayan, oh.
What is the top 3 stocks to buy now?
Ito interesting. Investing, trading.
Investing.
Yun yung interesting.
Passive income.
There's no best stock kasi yung price niya nag-move, no? You have to find what, what's the best way to answer this? You have to find what fits your timeline because, for example, Jollibee right now is overpriced. It's a good company, but it's overpriced. So depending on what your timeline is, that's what your buys should be. Depending on the growth, the risk, and then the timeline, and then the money that you want to put. Pero if you're asking what you have to look at it, which companies have income that's growing, tapos based on companies that are growing, which among them also are cheap at this point in time.
Noted. L-O-U.
So ganun lang. Ganun lang gagawin mo over and over. Tapos yung tricky sa investing is this. If there are some companies that are good, that are going up, pero they're expensive, syempre you avoid it also. Kasi sayang naman, yung name is buying companies that are good, pero at relatively cheap naman. Thank you.
Noted, sir.
Nice to
Thank
meet
you.
Thank you.
Mr. Marvin, big fan.
Ganun ba? Thank you. Oh, hello, hi.
Hello, nice to meet you.
You're from where?
Italy.
Italy. Oh,
In-encourage ko siya mag-invest.
nice. What part of Italy?
Milan. Just
Milan.
south of
Oh,
Milan.
nice place.
Sir, question. Yung
Okay.
isa, di ba may above the line, below the line?
Okay.
Anong line ba yun? 52, 120?
Hindi, if you are a long-term, parang trading long-term, you can use the longer
Position
ones.
traders.
You can use 200, 150. If you're trading shorter, pwedeng 20, 50. 5, 10, 20, 50. Shorter yun. The longer ones are 100, 200. Or 50, 100, 200. So, yun.
Pag position trader, mga 25, 50.
50, 100 is okay. 50, ito yung benchmark nun, 50 because it represents one quarter, 100 represents half a year, 200 represents one year also. Pero yung thing doon na, like you saw sa line, 200 day, if it drops very steep, pero wala pa siya doon sa line, yung emotion doon, parang you don't have to do anything while that's happening also. So, yun.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Picture lang kami, sir.
Picture, okay, game. Game, let's do this. Ay, sir, eto. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Nice to meet you.
Name, question. Double M.
Single.
Okay, nasa vlog ka na. Oh, yan. Sa vlog. Parang awan nyo na, walang nanonood eh. So parang awan nyo na, please subscribe.
Sorry ko ha.
Parang awan. Guys, walang nanonood sa akin sa Dubai. Kaya namamakawan na ako. Namamakawan na ako.
Share ko.
Sir, open pa lang sa umaga, ikaw na si Sir Ran.
Okay. Double M ba? Double M?
Single M.
Romel. Okay, what's your question?
Yung ano lang sa, kung since new ako,
Okay.
ano ka ng stock,
Okay.
online stock.
Okay.
Paano bang ano yung website?
Meron. Who's PSC. Sige, I'll send you the list later. Hintay mo ako, I'll give you a list. Kasi, okay, sige, hintayin niyo ako.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Kasi interest ako sa mga.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Ay, back again. Okay. Ballpen.
Wala.
Okay. Question. Not my question. Kaya second na to eh. Oh.
Paano yumaman pag uwi ko ng Pinas?
Eh, mayaman ka na daw.
First
Yung balita mayaman. May 100 million ka na daw eh.
Wala pa.
Humble, oo nga eh. Dami daw lupa.
Real estate
Ilan daw?
3 buildings.
Wow! Buildings! Three buildings!
Maliliit.
Grabe, ilang floor?
Puno ng utang.
Ilang floor
Wala akong utang pero maraming pinag-aaral.
Yun. Okay. Anong name ulit?
Luz.
Saan yung building na yan?
Stagi.
Ay!
Wow!
Uy! Grabe!
Si Marvin.
Grabe!
Idol kita. Sense
Hindi.
of humor. Kaso hindi ako nakakaano sa mga seminars mo kasi
Okay lang. Importante, parte na ako ng buhay mo. Yeah! Oy, may libre pa akong patas dito. Name?
Erwin po.
Erwin. Question. You're part of the vlog. May gusto mong pamatiin.
Lahat ng tao sa Pilipinas.
Okay. What's your question?
Question po, apart from moving averages po,
Okay.
yung indicators para, RSI.
Depende siya sa scenario eh. So, yung RSI, you use it when the market's oversold.
Yes.
Depende, it's using a combination of indicators depending on what you're, so pwedeng MACD, pwedeng tingnan mo yung volume, may mga volume-based indicators and may mga momentum-based indicators. Hindi mo siya kailangan gamitin sabay-sabay, pero you have to use them in conjunction with each other.
Ano yung ginagamit mo?
Lahat ng sinabi ko ginagamit ko lahat yun. Pero depende sa condition. Depende sa condition. Or kung napapanood mo yung videos, support and resistance na talaga gamit ko eh. Tapos kung when in doubt, nag-check lang ako ng others.
So moving average, kung long term ka, mas
200 is fine.
150.
150 is okay. Pero either 100 or 200. Yun, hindi ako nag-150, 100, 200 gamit ko.
Okay. Okay. Yun lang siguro.
Mabuhay ka. Sabi mo, mabuhay ka.
Buhay.
Yeah.
Sir, picture lang, sir.
Okay.
Ay, sir, sa'yo yan.
Ay, sama to. Okay. Hindi, kailangan mo sabihin sa camera. Sabi mo na, trade well, trade strong, trade smart. Go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Trade well, trade strong, trade smart.
Yeah. Okay, picture.
Ay, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Ako naman, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Picture daw.
Okay.
Ayan, bilisan na lang daw. Asan na? Naka-zoom siya ng bongga.
Picture na lang.
Yan.
Okay na.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, picture din. Okay.
Ingitin ko lang yung friend.
Okay, thank you. Walang question. Okay. Okay.
O siya magpipicture.
Mali, Ami. Pwede pong
Video to.
Oo, wala pa pala.
Sorry, sir.
Okay, game.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Okay. Name?
Jo.
Jo. Anong question mo, Jo?
Wala po.
Meron, kasi you're part of the vlog. Oh. You're part of YouTube. Okay.
Walang question. Basta happy lang ako.
Happy ka? Bakit ka happy?
Especially dun sa number 30 points.
Ay, talaga. Galing. Kasi sabi nila, may tatlo ka rin daw building eh.
Wala pa naman.
Mali.
Soon.
Anong spelling?
Jo. J-O.
J-O lang. Okay. What do you do, Jo?
Membership account.
Oh. Pero nag-ano ka na? Nag-stocks ka na?
Yes. 2 years.
Galing. Mayaman na.
More on long term.
Power.
Start
Ayan,
pa lang
no?
ng trade.
Okay, salamat. Did you learn na lahat naman?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hanapin mo, search mo, may mayaman Alan Miranda. So, pag mayaman yun, no? Okay, bye-bye. Thank you. Name? Anton. Did you learn na lahat naman?
Sobrang dami po.
What do you do, Anton?
Engineer po.
Oh, may question ka? For YouTube? Oh,
Ngayon wala pa po.
wala pa?
Pa lang.
Okay. Sa buhay, may tanong ka?
Madami po.
Ano yung tanong? Kahit sa tanong pang buhay, okay lang.
Eh, kung paano kumita, yun lang.
Saan ka magaling? Oh, totoo. Yung pinaka-technique lang is find what you're good at and then double down on that. Kasi you have to remember, hindi naman lahat ng tao magiging magaling sa stocks. Hindi rin naman lahat ng tao magiging magaling sa business. But you have to find what's good for you and then invest more in that. Ganun lang. And do it over and over. Yan. Salamat. Okay, game. Picture. Selfie. Ay, yes. Sino? Okay. Thank you.
Thank you po. Thank you.
Okay, done. We're done. Okay. Wala ko
Palitan mo rin mamaya, ha?
sige, palitan na lang. Oh, question for YouTube. Question for YouTube. Pero wala. Wala. Okay, game.
Sige.
None? Okay.
Isa pa.
Okay, salamat. Question, meron? Wala na.
Anong book para sa mga pang basic muna?
Lahat yan foundational and basic. Oh, they're all foundational and basic. Pero, sa may picture ito?
Ate.
Okay.
Wala.
Okay. Sige, ako, I'll explain this lang. Para this will answer what the stock market is. So that if you want to know how to invest in the market, this is the book naman. Pero lahat naman are all foundational. Okay, go. Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Sir Marvin.
Done? Okay. Salamat. Okay na. We're done. Thank you. Mabuhay.
Sir, pwede tayo mag-picture sa mobile ko?
Okay, game. Pero may tanong, game. Tanong ka muna. Anong...
How to be rich? How to be rich?
balita ko mayaman ka na daw eh.
Hindi ano lang. Normal lang.
Pero, hindi eh. Save lang. Save consistently. Then do it over and over. Then invest. Ganun lang.
Okay.
Parang yun yung pinag-usapan natin buong seminar. That's it? That's your question. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to take picture.
Okay, picture. Okay, picture.
Sir, can you take a picture?
Pwede. Okay, saan tayo mag-picture? Dyan ba? Okay, game.
Can you make sir?
Okay, whole body. Okay, thank you everyone. Woo, done.
Sir.
We're done. Tapos na. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you YouTube. Guys,
Thank you,
ito,
sir.
sobrang yaman. Sobrang yaman. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
May question ka? Wala naman.
Wala naman po. Thank you, sir.
Okay.